Thinking about buying a property? Before you sign anything, it's crucial to ask, are there any risks with this property? Let's talk about 3 big ones you need to watch out for: flood zones, insurance, and repairs. First up, flood zones. Always check if the property is located in a designated flood area. You can look this up on government flood maps or ask your real estate agent for a disclosure report. If it is in a flood zone, you'll likely need extra flood insurance, and that can really increase your monthly costs. Next, consider repairs and maintenance risks. Even a beautiful home can hide issues like a leaky roof, foundation cracks, or old plumbing. This is why getting a professional home inspection before you buy is absolutely worth it. It can uncover problems you'd never see on your own. Finally, there's insurance. Some areas or older homes can be surprisingly expensive, or even difficult to insure. Talk to an insurance agent early in the process so you know exactly what to expect. So before you fall in love with that dream home, check the flood risk, understand the insurance costs, and get that inspection done. A little research now can save you thousands later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.